Today we're looking at two ducted split heat pumps in a head-to-head battle. The ACiQ HVH8 versus the American Standard Platinum 20. I'm the HVAC repair guy, and I've spent years in the field seeing which of these units actually hold up when the summer heat hits and the winter frost sets in. Today, we're cutting through the marketing fluff to see which of these ultimate tier systems belongs in your home. First, let's talk about keeping these units safe. When you're spending top dollar on an inverter system, you want it protected. The American Standard Platinum 20 features a heavy-duty louvered coil. Those steel panels are like a suit of armor against hail and debris. The ACiQ HVH8, however, does not have a louvered coil. It uses a wire mesh design, which leaves those delicate aluminum fins a lot more exposed to the elements. If you live somewhere with nasty storms, that's a big factor. Both of these are ultimate category systems, meaning they use variable speed inverter technology. This isn't your old school on or off AC. These ramp up and down to keep your home at a perfect, steady temperature. American Standard Platinum 20. This is a powerhouse with a 10.5 HSPH. It's incredibly efficient and comes with a compressor blanket to keep things quiet. ACiQ HVH8. Still very efficient with a 9.5 HSPH. It also features that variable speed compressor and a quiet running compressor blanket. American Standard takes the win on raw efficiency, but both are going to save you a bundle on your energy bills compared to a standard unit. Have you ever had a coil ruined by hail, or are you currently deciding between a big name like American Standard and an up-and-comer like ACiQ? Drop a comment below. I want to hear your installation stories. This is where the ACiQ HVH8 really fights back. American Standard Platinum 20. You get a 10-year parts warranty and a 12-year compressor warranty. That's a long time to have the heart of the system covered. ACiQ HVH8. It has a 10-year parts and compressor warranty, but here is the game changer, the 10-year unit replacement guarantee. If that compressor fails in the first decade, ACiQ doesn't just send you a new part, they give you a whole new unit. That is a massive safety net. So, who wins? If you want the most durable exterior and the highest efficiency, the American Standard Platinum 20 is the king of the hill. But if you want the best financial protection through a replacement guarantee, the ACiQ HVH8 offers a value that's hard to beat in the ultimate category. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like so you don't miss any of our upcoming equipment battles. See you on the next one.